brackets from Street Faction came in today. Comes with bolts, air freshener, and sticker. Packaging was really nice. Now I'll put these on the 240. I already took apart the seat. Then I vacuumed and put the seat in.
Just a side note, if you guys get the side mount XL from Street Faction, you have to take off this plastic part under the carpet right here so the bracket would fit. That wasn't clear to me, so I contacted Street Faction and said they sent me the wrong part, but they gave me instructions on how to do it. Now it fits perfectly fine. Now time to put in the seats.